I am Robin, English teacher for Core Languages, and today I'm drinking a cup of coffee in my backyard. Let me ask you a question. How many cups of coffee do you drink every day? You might say, I drink 1 cup of coffee, or I drink 2 cups of coffee. Well, how about this? How many glasses of water do you drink a day? You might say, I drink 1 glass every morning and 2 glasses every evening. Now, why do I say cups but glasses? When we talk about more than one thing, we use plural nouns. But not every plural noun is just S, like cup, cups. Sometimes we say glass, glasses. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to form plural nouns in the English language. So the next time someone asks you, how many cups of coffee or how many glasses of water do you drink? You can formulate a perfect English sentence.
Plural formation. There are 7 basic plural forms for nouns in the English language. The ending of each noun, or the spelling of each noun, determines which form to use. Most nouns simply add an S for their plural form. For example, 1 lake, 2 lakes, 1 town, 2 towns, 1 table, 2 tables. If the noun ends in an S, SH, CH, or X, we add ES. For example, 1 fox, 2 foxes, 1 dish, 2 dishes, 1 class, 2 classes. Nouns that end in O also end on ES in their plural form. For example, tomato, tomatoes, potato, potatoes. Be careful, there are some exceptions, such as piano, pianos, photo, photos, and stereo, stereos. Nouns that end in F or FE also end in ES in their plural form. For example, 1 thief, 2 thieves, 1 knife, 2 knives, 1 leaf, 2 leaves. Notice how the F changes to a V in the plural form. There are also some exceptions. For example, roof, belief, and poof only add an S in their plural form. If the nouns end in a consonant and Y, we remove the Y and add IES. For example, 1 party, 2 parties, 1 baby, 2 babies, 1 city, 2 cities. There are also a number of irregular plural nouns. For example, 1 man, 2 men, 1 mouse, 2 mice, 1 child, 2 children, 1 crisis, 2 crises, 1 goose, 2 geese. one deer, two deer. Here are some examples of plurals that end in S. For example, the noun car. One car, cars. Cup, cups. Pen, pens. House, houses. Bird, birds. Plant, plants. Here are examples of nouns ending in S, SH, CH, and X, and example sentences. For example, wish. Best wishes on your birthday. Bunch. She has bunches of grapes. Tax. Nobody likes to pay taxes. Here are examples with nouns ending in O and example sentences. For example, tomato. We eat a lot of tomatoes. Zero. There are 6 zeros in 1,000,000. Piano. They have 2 pianos at home. Here are examples for nouns ending in F or FE and example sentences. For example, knife. These knives are very sharp. Leaf. The leaves fall off the trees in autumn. Belief. Everyone has some beliefs. Thief. Thieves steal money and other things. Roof. Hail can damage the roofs of houses. Here are examples of nouns that end in a consonant and the letter Y. Remember that we remove the Y and replace it with IES in the plural form. For example, butterfly. Butterflies are pretty insects. Baby. Babies are cute. Bunny. Another word for rabbits is bunnies. Try to look at the following 2 pictures and sentences and find the correct plural form. These are studying. The singular noun is woman. Very good. These women are studying. Women is an irregular plural noun. How about this example? She pays her. The singular noun is tax. Excellent. She pays her taxes. How about this sentence? Tomatoes or tomatoes have vitamin C. Excellent. Tomatoes have vitamin C. And how about this example? Parties are fun. Parties with YS or parties with IES? Very good. Parties are fun. Parties with IES. The noun party is spelled with TY. For the plural form, we remove the Y and replace it with IES.
Thank you for watching. I hope you now have a better understanding of how to form plural nouns. As always, if you have more questions, feel free to comment, or if you're interested in joining one of our courses with a live instructor, feel free to message us directly. I look forward to seeing you in our next class.